No.
We're watching Finding Nemo.
Yeah, we're watching Finding Nemo. But it's too long, but we're watching it.
It's too long? This movie's not long. It's a good movie though, right?
Yeah, it's a good movie. So, these are my friends.
Alright. Well, I gotta wash my car. I'm gonna show you how I do that. I mean, if anybody's interested to see how I do that. I'm gonna show you how.
I want to do it too. Can I watch?
Yeah, you're gonna help me.
Okay.
You're gonna do most of the work.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my car, show you how I do it. It's the same as anybody else does it, but I don't know if this can offer any any help on you washing your car, then check it out.
Just how you know, I have a mega bike.
Alright, just went ahead and changed my shirt really quick. Threw on a hat. You ready, Theo? Huh?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Alright.
I can move it forward?
Yeah. Alright, cool. So now, gonna just grab some supplies. I definitely need to organize this area. Like, why do I have a grill scraper here? I don't know. Whatever. But this is pretty much all the stuff I use to clean my car. So yeah, today we're basically just gonna be doing just a 1 bucket method. Wax it right now, but just do a quick wash.
Did you know Mom's at work?
Yeah, just so you know, Mom's at work. Alright, so I'm going to be using some pretty basic stuff, okay? So we're going to be using just some Gold's Glass car wash, McGuire's, for the tires. Just some basic cleaner, basic shine. Alright?
My birthday was last week, but I was 4. But Ariahs was the 32. But she was 2. Her was my mama, and mine was the concepts.
Alright, so as I'm washing this, I just want to tell you how I do it, okay? So, 1 bucket, 1 glove, do 1 panel at a time. Come over here, scrape your hand on the bottom, get off any of the rest of that dirt that you have on there, and then we work on the next panel. go, wheel and tire cleaner. Of course, yeah. That's why I'm showing you how to do it now.
Yeah.
So that way when you get older, you can do this yourself.
Yeah.
Take care of your things, you understand?
Yeah.
Make sense? Probably shouldn't even be using that much, but it is what it is. And it's the same on the other side. I'm not going to show you the other side. Simple.
Yeah, another Pokemon over here. Yeah. Just like Pikachu. A Pikachu. Pikachu one over here. Okay?
Now that the wheels are dry, let's just shine them. So there we go. That's it. That's how I wash my car. Nice and clean. Looking good. Woo! And you guys, thanks for your help. What's wrong? You getting hot? Is it hot? Well, hey, come here. Wait. Thank you for your help. Ah! Let's go get some lunch. You ready for lunch? Oh, I'm the worst. Come on, it's nice and cool now.